Well, hello there and welcome back to the channel. I'm Trevor and I live down here in Dorset. Well, today I've just not come too far from home. There's this lovely woodland walk which is along the river as well. So and of course at the minute you've got the wild garlic out, which is beautiful. It's really nice. Never really photographed it before, and it's not like you see some pictures where it's covered in garlic. I mean, there's patches of it, I suppose. Yeah, so anyways, that's the aim today. Just capture some springtime woodland photography, and why not grab a coffee, sit down, put your feet up, relax, and enjoy the video. And I'll speak to you in a little bit. There are certain words that kind of, and we all do it, that are kind of bounded around a bit, I suppose, a little bit loose. And one of those is amazing. You know, everything's amazing. Oh, you're amazing. This is amazing. That's amazing. And quite often not really amazing. You know, they're just really good or kind of nice to see or whatever. But the one thing that is amazing is nature. Nature is amazing. We had a pond put in the garden towards the end of last year, and we got some frog spawn in it this year. And every day I've been coming out with a cup of coffee, just looking at the frog spawn. And all it is like a blob of jelly with a black dot in it. And as the days and the weeks kind of progress, the little black dot starts to wriggle. And then it hatches out of the spawn into the actual pond. And then the tadpoles, they get bigger and bigger. And before you know it, they start growing little legs. And within a few weeks, there'll be frogs and they'll be leaving the pond, going off wherever. Now that, to me, is amazing. It's something, you can watch something develop from just a cell or group of cells if you like, into a living, moving thing. And spring's a bit like that to me. I love spring. It's obviously my favourite time of the year. And one of the reasons why is because you get all this new life, and it kind of gives you hope, you know, that everything's not lost. You know, a few weeks ago, where I am now would have been the same as anywhere. It would have been pretty bleak, empty, colourless, kind of. A lot of things have been dead, and also as much dead, but gone to sleep through the winter. And suddenly, before you know it, it's just burst into life and colour and beauty. I mean, to be honest, wild garlic I don't think was that popular till about a couple of years ago, when it won the Landscape Photography of the Year award, and suddenly everyone was out taking pictures of wild garlic. And although, like I said earlier, I don't know a wood where you get masses of the white garlic. You know, where I've come today is just pockets of it. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm really pleased. I had a really nice time. So yeah, I just want to mention that, you know, that nature it's awesome, it's amazing, it's beautiful. And as photographers, you know, we have the pleasure and the privilege of being able to capture that. Because like anything in life, nothing stays the same, does it? You know, I've just been walking around here and you can see, you know, some of the effects of the storms we had earlier on in the year. So that won't be the same again. And the other day, you know, down here in Dorset, we had a massive forest fire, or heathland fire I should say. It was when the heathlands caught fire, and it got right up close to people's houses. And that must have been really scary for them. And so, yeah, that's saying nothing stays the same. Everything is changing and moving. But when you get spring, it just gives you that kind of, it just lifts your spirit. You come out of winter, it lifts your spirit, and it just makes you feel really, really good for the rest of the year ahead, I guess. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to kind of share my thoughts on that, really. So I'm going to carry on and take some more photos. Well guys, time to wrap it up again. Just going to have a coffee and my cheddars. So, yeah, I've had a really good time today. It's been really, really nice. Got loads of different things. Got some of the wild garlic, got some of the roots coming into the water. And we've got that little cascade. I'm not quite sure what it was back there. Anyways, and some cows as well. So, yeah, it was a day out. Well, a couple of hours out. It's been really, really nice. So with that, I'm going to say, hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, maybe give me a big thumbs up. Or if you want to watch more of my videos, maybe consider subscribing. That'd be really nice. And leave a comment. Like I said before, I always really, really do look forward to the comments. I really do appreciate them. And yeah, so with that, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye. Yeah, it's this thing. We sat on this log having me coffee. I just noticed it's obviously a chestnut tree, horse chestnut tree, and these trees have obviously been down here quite a while because they're starting to rot. But you've got all this new growth coming off the tree. I can't explain it. I just thought a tree, once it fell down, it died, and then eventually, blended into the ground. But it's obviously given new life to this tree here. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty amazing actually. See all this new growth coming off the old tree. So if anyone knows any ideas why that's happening, let us know in the comments below. But yeah, really interesting that.